Good morning, grade two. Today we are going to continue using a picture prompt to do our writing. So it's really important for us to remember when we look at our picture, we need to be considering what's happening, why might it be happening, who is in the picture, where is it happening, and when is it happening. So when we think about all those things, they help us organize our ideas and help us plan our story. So for today, you are going to choose only one of the images below to plan ideas to write a story. So figure out which one image speaks to you the most. So today only, you're going to be planning your writing ideas. So think about who is in the picture, who will be in your story, what is happening in the picture, what will happen in your story, when does it take place, where might it be happening, and why is it happening. The more ideas you have in your plan today, the easier it will be to write your story tomorrow.